Hello my dear students, welcome back to Surya Smarter Everyday. In this video, we are going to learn an important and interesting lesson, information transfer. Okay, let's learn what is information transfer. It is an activity which the given information is converted from verbal to non-verbal format and vice versa. That means non-verbal to verbal. There are two types of informations, verbal to non-verbal and non-verbal to verbal. Verbal to non-verbal. According to this type, students have to develop a diagram such as pie diagram, bar chart, tables, tree diagram or route maps by reading the paragraph information. That means it converts or transfer paragraph to diagram, but non-verbal to verbal. In this type, students have to transfer the diagrammatic information to paragraph, such as pie chart, bar chart, table, a route map or tree diagram. Okay, now let's see how can transfer a pie chart to a paragraph. Okay, the first step, write appropriate title. It is very simple that you can write from the question. So already here is given causes of increasing road accident. So write suitable title, causes of increasing road accident, and then underline. Okay, next we have to write introduction. Okay, answer this question. What is a diagram about? What is a diagram about? You can write a very easy way. Here is already given the title, causes of increasing road accident. Then you can write the first sentence this way. The given pie diagram represent the causes of road accident or causes of increasing road accidents. And the next, you answer this question. How many sectors are there? So as you know, one pie chart or pie diagram divided into many sectors. So look at this pie diagram. This pie diagram divided into how many sectors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next sentence you write as the answer of this question. How can write? It is divided into 5 sectors. Okay. Then next sentence. How can write? Look, how are values expressed? In the given pie chart, how are values expressed? Here is the values expressed in percentage. So here is given each topic and then percentage. Then you answer these questions as next sentence. And values expressed in percentage. Okay, then how can write next sentence? So here is another question. What does each sector refer to? Very simple answer of these questions. What does each sector refer to? So there is a 5 sector are there. If 5 sectors refers to cause of increasing road accidents. So look, each sector refers to cause of increasing road accidents. Next sentence. How can write? What are the topics? That means each sectors there is a refer with a different topics. You have to write that topic's name already given here. Who can write that answer? Look, the topics include underage driving, then speeding beyond limits, and ignoring traffic rules, and wrong parking, and talking on mobile. Okay. And next, answer this question. What is a percentage of topics? So each topic's percentage you write as the answer of this question. Look at this answer. The percentage of causes of increasing road accident in underage driving is 30%. Speeding beyond limit is 25%, and then a wrong parking, ignoring traffic rules, and talking on mobile respectively 15%. So these all are same. So we can write this sentence like this. Otherwise you write separate. Okay. Then the next sentence. Look, it is very important and simple. Comparison and interpretation. We have to compare with according to analyze of these sectors percentage. How can? So here is one formula given there. According to that formula, you can write answer. So how can write the percentage of heading? What is a heading? Cause of increasing road accident. That you have to write. Then write topic. From there, here is given 5 topic. So write one topic there. According to more or less. Then write more or less than the percentage of another topic. So another heading you have to write there. The percentage of. This is a comparison. And then write that topic. Otherwise a difference. You can write the difference. The difference in percentage, and then write the headings and a topic and another topic. So difference. You can write with one topic to another topic differences. So these two way you can compare. So here how can write that? The percentage of causes of road accident in underage driving is more than 15% in ignoring traffic rules. Look at here. Here is a 30%. Here is a 15. So here is a difference 15%. Like that you have to write there. Then next is the last part. That is a conclusion. Look here. Inferences. That means a conclusion. So how can write the conclusion? The maximum or major or least. According to your understanding, this sentence you write with your own. The last sentence, conclusion. The maximum or major, the least of the percentage, then write the heading, the main heading, plus if singular is plural or, and write topic. So look at this sentence. The major cause of a road accident is the underage driving. So here is a major cause of road accident, underage driving. It accounts for 30% of the total causes of road accident. In this way, you can transfer pie chart information to a paragraph and can score full mark. I think it is very easy. Now I hope you are able to transfer pie chart to a paragraph. I will be back soon with another video related to information transfer. Till then, take care. Bye bye.